Good morning. Please drive safely. Welcome to the Gigafactory.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how EV battery range is manufactured step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
OEE is spiking on line 3. Are we seeing a temperature fluctuation there?
No, temps are stable. It looks like a speed optimization kicking in.
If we shift this connection point, it aligns better with the new iteration.
But what about the structural integrity of the fixture? Let's check with him.
Temperature is stable. Go ahead and start the dosing sequence.
Confirmed. Starting the feed now.
Alignment confirmed on Module 7.
Green light confirmed. Proceeding.
Did you apply the QC stamp on the last batch?
Yes, they are ready for housing.
Scan complete. Looks good.
Perfect alignment on this one too. Moving to the next service point.
Make sure the BMS is seated correctly before you torque the final screws.
Okay, I'll double check the alignment now.
The capacity drop at -20 is within tolerance.
Yes, but look at the recovery time at 45.
The energy flow looks stable, but we're seeing a consistent 5% offset in the predicted range.
Let's cross-reference that with the latest algorithm update parameters.
Look at the consumption rate since the last update.
The grid stabilization is holding perfectly. CO2 savings are up another 2%.
Look here, 100% accuracy on the alignment. That's exactly what we want before moving to live production.
As you can see, the OT network is fully compliant, all green.
What about the anomaly thresholds?
The models are holding steady, we confirmed yesterday.
As you can see, our cycle times are consistently exceeding targets, and the yield remains at 99.9%.
So if we reroute the power flow here, the efficiency improves by 15%.
That explains the higher output we saw yesterday.
We've reviewed the open issues and safety notes.
And with this final tap, the checklist is at 100%.
Understood. We'll ensure organized continuity for Shift B.
The energy density curve is holding steady past 500 cycles.
This is exactly the breakthrough we needed for the new design.
Alignment is perfect. We have green status.
Confirmed.
Engaging the torque sequence now.
These are the modules, and this orange section is the cooling system managed by the BMS.
So the blue on the screen means it's cooling efficiently.
Exactly.
If we move the long-range shipment here, it aligns with the OEM schedule.
That optimizes the entire sequence.
Perfect. The completion metric just updated.
Dew point is holding steady at -40.
Good. Pressure looks nominal across the board.
So the night plan is running reduced but steady. Yield and output are solid, and we're showing no major issues.
Excellent. See you tomorrow morning.
This is where range is born, cell by cell, pack by pack. Every system you saw today is designed to make